In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to automatically change a status in a Monday.com board. If you want your board to stay updated without having to manually change statuses every time something happens, automations are a great solution. They help keep your workflow organized, reduce repetitive tasks, and make sure your team can instantly see the right status at the right time. To begin, open the Monday.com board where you want the status to change automatically. This is important because automations are set up at the board level, so you'll want to make sure you're working inside the correct board before you make any changes. Once you're there, take a quick moment to confirm which status column you want to update, since that will be part of the automation setup. Next, click on Automations. You'll usually find this option near the top of the board. This opens the Automation Center, where Monday.com gives you different ways to build rules that connect a trigger with an action. Think of it as telling the platform, when this happens, do that. From there, create a new automation. Monday.com may show you suggested templates, or it may let you build one more directly. Either way, the goal is to start a new rule that fits the workflow you need. If you see pre-built options, they can make the process faster and easier, especially if you're new to automations. Now choose the trigger. This is the event that tells Monday.com when the automation should run. For example, you might set it to activate when a date arrives or when an item is moved. The best trigger depends on how you manage your board. If your process is time-based, a date trigger can be useful. If your workflow depends on movement between groups or stages, then an item being moved may be the better choice. After selecting the trigger, choose the action to change a status column. This tells Monday.com what to do once the trigger occurs. Make sure you select the correct status column if your board has more than one, so the automation updates the right field. Then choose the status label that Monday.com should apply. This could be something like working on it, done, stuck, or any custom label you already use in your board. Pick the label that best matches the outcome you want the automation to create. Finally, save the automation and test it. Testing is a smart final step because it helps you confirm the trigger works correctly and the right status updates as expected. Once that's done, your automation is ready to help keep your board accurate and up to date automatically.